Hello, we are the founders of Investment Online. We have over 10 years of combined experience in the Forex market. In this video, we will show briefly what is fundamental analysis, what is auto-click news, and how to get it for free. Yes, for free. You will not have to shell out a penny in order to have a consolidated trading strategy sustainable in time and, of course, in which you can win real money making your bills profitable every month. No matter if you are a professional trader or a trader who's just beginning, this information will definitely come in handy. Right now, we're going to show you the other side of the Forex market. We've heard enough about the Japanese candlesticks, Fibonacci, moving averages, share price, but now we'll show you what really moves thousands and thousands of dollars in this market, and that is fundamental analysis. Are you ready to learn how to play in the big leagues of these markets? Ready to start being part of the small 3% of people who earn real money in this capitalist jungle? Now, I'm going to share exactly how to predict the market almost like a prophet, an insider only shared by a few, and to have it normally cost thousands of dollars per month, which only high capital investors can pay. There is an interesting story behind it. In the securities world, there is data that can positively or negatively impact the economy. Can you imagine how valuable it would be to know what the president of the US Federal Reserve is going to say before the whole world gets a hold of it? Or know what will happen with a country in terms of employment, interest rates, bank secret data that move the market so powerfully? Nothing more and nothing less, you know where the market is exactly heading to. A simple and important example. If there is good news for the US dollar will rise up like bad beer. If there is bad news, then it will go down like a safe box drop from the 10th floor. The best thing is that this normally happens within the first 2 minutes after I post this information, and thereafter it will be published for free on internet charts, Bloomberg, newspapers, and by the time we see this through the media, there's sincerely nothing to do. The big dinosaurs would have already used this information. In market news, there is a saying, when the mass realizes something, it no longer works. But there are several excellent news of which I will talk about through the course of this story. 1. All world powers like the United States, United Kingdom, Eurozone, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, Japan, China have their representatives and secret data to move their markets. We have managed to compile all this information so that we can grab a good slice of the pie in the battlefield of currencies. 2. All of this data is disclosed at exact times, not 2 minutes before nor 2 minutes later. The representation of economists program and release the information to the world on time and within seconds. There is another important thing. What would you do if you found out before everyone else does that they're going to hire 100,000 new personnel, 100,000 public offices in the United States? This would be wonderful for the economy. More jobs, more money, more shopping, which is equal to a strong currency. Therefore, it will go up like beer. And if you know that before everyone else, then you buy dollars, wait 2 minutes, and get rich. I'm going to show you this live with a story that has the same treatment. Interest rates Australia. With our powerful software, all you have to do is set the auto clicker. You can operate up to 10 different platforms simultaneously. You drag the information button to your platform, same with the purchase button, and wait for our signal. No need to do anything else, not even click, because our wonderful auto click will do it for you. There are 8 seconds left for the announcement to be given. We have already set our stop loss and our take profit. Our supplier sent us the data in milliseconds, and the order was automatically issued by our clicker. So fast that it's hard to see, to tell you the truth. Surprised? We were trading interest rates of Australia. The economists forecasted 3%, but thanks to our secret partners, we realized before CNN that the rate would remain at 3.25%. Do not worry about the numbers. We will handle all this analysis for you. What interests you is when can you buy or sell the currency and count the profits, or when not to enter the trade and protect your capital. Everything you've heard and seen was translated to $800 of real earnings direct into our pockets and with just a few minutes of work. When provided a positive figure of this magnitude on interest rates, the market usually reacts upwards with much force. What happens behind the scenes is this. They are in a press conference. Journalists, economists, bankers, president responsible for publishing the data. The president speaks and says, "The result is positive. We will raise interest rates." pay attention to this. There is a bunch of buyers making a line to buy, taking positions, and inflating the currency. See the secret? Pay attention because we're going to talk about the last element. Years ago, when this information was known, we thought in our head what to do. We ran out to call our broker and we shouted with all our might, "Buy now!" Now, all this dirty work is automated. No need for shouting. We have a coffee. The president's speech is transcribed and digitized. A software connects to your broker. The data is processed with a formula called standard deviation. The results come out, sell, sell. It buys and sells automatically. And we have more coffee. All of this happens in 10 milliseconds, which is the 100th of a second. So let me introduce you to institutional auto-click news, the eighth wonder of the Forex world to trade fundamental announcements at the speed of light. That's right, there are times when you don't even notice when you enter your order. This is institutional auto-click news. Institutional auto-click news is an automated software that is bonded to the main suppliers of macroeconomic results that are disclosed every month. Designed to operate news based on fundamental analysis, optimizing the speed to market advantage and profiting from times of high volatility, getting access to the best prices. This system is very safe, easy to implement, and can be used on platforms MT4, MT5, Flash, Java, ActTrader, etc. We will show that auto-click news is live instructions by professional traders, fully automated clicker, economic data in milliseconds, weekly news calendar, free software updates, many opportunities to trade each month. Now comes the interesting part. You know how it works, what the strategy is, which is the tool you need. Now we will show you how you can obtain institutional auto-click news totally free. That's right, you will not have to pay a penny. Besides the absolutely stunning strategy, we wanted to go further and will reveal which are the brokers in which we work and get the same great performance. These brokers are regulated, serious, and concerned about the education of its users, so we have reached an agreement with them and they will sponsor the institutional auto-click news tool. These brokers have been thoroughly studied by us and tested on live accounts to shorten your learning curve and save you headaches. Among the advantages is the ease to deposit and withdraw funds and excellent customer support. Besides having a good broker and supervision strategy in your hands, you will have the following tool for free. We want you to succeed and not just have the strategy and tool, so we have added the following gift. Stop Profit Expert Advisor, valued at $47 US. What this expert advisor does is that you set it before and predefine the stop loss and take profit, and it automatically places it once you're inside the market. Particularly in the MT4, you have to do this manually, and you know that fundamental analysis is synonymous of speed. The other way would be to pay $197 US and use any broker. The problem is that some do not have the liquidity to accept orders in times of high volatility. You will raise the spreads cloud high, typically at 20 to 30 and 40 pips. While we recommend to have great execution and good performance in times of high volatility, do not invent the wheel. Do not break your head. We have already tried many brokers in our 10 years of experience. We've done the work for you, and we are showing you only what works. The steps you need to follow are 1. Opening a live account on any of the brokers listed here under conditions explained below this video. 2. Once you have your account open and funded, you fill out the form below that says Auto-Click News License Application. As you can see, you have no excuse not to choose any of the brokers who are here and open your live account to start trading in the market like a big investor. And best of all, it's free. We hope to see you soon in the next news. Remember, we do not know how long this system will be given out for free. Seize this opportunity while it's available.